Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome for the first time. So today I am going to be doing some DIY shelves, and I actually got this idea from the channel DIY Creators. If you haven't seen that channel, go check it out. I'll link it down below. And it said it's an easy alternative, so I picked up some stuff from Lowe's that was cheap, and I don't have all the tools that he used in his video, so we're gonna see if I can use them and if they're gonna work. So first, let me show you the tools that I'm gonna be using, but let's get started.
So the tools you need for this is a common board, and I picked that up from my local Home Depot, a wood stain, drill, pocket hole jig, pocket hole screws, a stud finder, and a level, and a face clamp. So first off, I just started by trying to find the studs in the wall. So I used the stud finder, and I just marked off where each stud was. So I'm marking each board the distance apart from each stud, so they'll be equal once I put them up. Now I'm just going in with my pocket hole jig, and I bought this. It was like $19 from Lowe's, and I put the face clamp so it'll hold down. Y'all, this was my most struggle. It would not stay down for anything. So if you want to invest in the one that was a little bit more expensive, I think it was like $99, but this was the cheaper alternative. I did find when I would like try my best to like hold it down in place, or maybe I should have bought a better face clamp and that would have held it better. But yeah, it worked eventually, so they went in there. It just moved a little bit. Now that I have my pocket holes drilled in, I did went ahead and sanded it down. I did that off camera because we already know what that is. And then I'm going in with my stain. One thing that I do wish is that maybe I could have put a different color. I wanted it to be a little bit of a lighter gray, but it turned out fine once I put it up. And I just, put on some gloves and wiped it down with a rag.
So while guys, I wasn't even recording on the first one, but I do have the first shelf in, and it's looking pretty nice. I did say that the color of the stain that I chose was a little darker than I wanted it to be, but here it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish screwing these in. Yes!
So now I'm just going in and using my level to make sure that each shelf is leveled, which didn't work out too well for me. But I use that and then I just drill them in once it says that it's good and leveled.
Is she crooked? Oh my gosh. Y'all, it says it's not even. Ah, she's not. Ah. Y'all, she ain't level. And it happened when I screwed her in. She actually leaned in a little bit to this way. But it ain't gonna matter. What y'all think? It don't look that bad. It don't look that bad.
So now I'm just putting the finishing touches up there, and these are the decorations that I use. As you can see, it holds so much weight. And guys, I just loved how it turned out. Look how beautiful it is. It's holding weight, and even though, you know, we had a few hiccups along the way, it turned out nicely. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.